In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter marketplace search results by budget if you're trying to find good deals without spending more than you planned. The price filter is one of the most useful tools you can use. It helps you stay focused on listings that actually fit your budget instead of wasting time scrolling through items that are far too expensive. This is especially helpful when you're sourcing supplies or comparing multiple options and want to keep your search efficient from the start. To begin, open Marketplace and type the item you're looking for into the search bar. You can make your search as specific or as broad as you want, depending on the kind of results you need. If you already know the exact product you want, using a precise search term can help narrow things down right away. If you're still exploring different options, a more general search can give you a wider range of listings to review. After entering your search, let the results page load completely so you can clearly see the available items. Next, look for the filters icon on the results page. In many cases, this appears near the top right or top left area of the screen, and it often looks like a set of sliders. Depending on the device you're using, the exact placement may be a little different, so if you don't spot it immediately, take a quick look across the top section of the page. Opening the filters menu gives you access to the tools that help refine your search and remove listings that don't match what you're looking for. Once the filters panel is open, find the price section. This is where you set your budget range. You'll usually see two fields, min and max. The min field is for the lowest price you're willing to pay, and the max field is for the highest amount you want to spend. Enter your preferred minimum in the first field and your spending limit in the second. This creates a clear price range, which helps Marketplace show listings that fall within those numbers. After you've entered your budget, click Apply or Show Results depending on what appears on your screen. As soon as you do that, the results will update to display only the items within the price range you selected. This makes it much easier to compare realistic options and avoid getting distracted by listings outside your budget. That's all there is to it. By searching for your item, opening the filters, setting your minimum and maximum price, and applying the results, you can turn a crowded marketplace feed into a much more focused list of affordable options.